Let's get started with telling the time in Armenian. Let's get started with the basic vocabulary around the time and telling the time. Time in Armenian is jam. Jam. To ask the time in Armenian is jame hartsnel. Jam being time, hartsnel being to ask. Jame hartsnel. To tell the time is jame asel. Jame time, asel to say or to tell. Jame asel. To ask what time it is in Armenian is jame kanisne. Jame kanisne. What time is it? To answer the question, we use the word jame and the verb to be with the time. For example, jame mekne. It's 1 o'clock. Jame mekne. Let's mentally divide the clock into two hemispheres. All the time that's on the left side will be formed with the word bakas, which corresponds to English 2, and everything that's on the right side will be formed using the word ants, which corresponds to English past. Unlike English, in Armenian we start telling the time with the hour first, then the minutes. For example, 20 past 6 in Armenian will be vetsnants ksan. Vetsnants ksan. Quarter past 8 in Armenian will be utnants tasnehing. Utn and tasnehing. If you've noticed, when telling the time this way, all the numbers take the definite article. In this case, vetsen and uten. When forming the time using bakas, the time and the hour will have the ending in. For example, 10 to 4 in Armenian is chorsin, das bakas. Chorsin, das bakas. 20 to 6 will be vetsin, ksan bakas. Vetsin, ksan bakas. When we tell the time with ants, don't forget to put the first number with the definite article. When telling the time using past, don't forget to add ending in to the number. Half in Armenian is guess. 6:30 in Armenian is vetsnants guess. 5:30, for example, is hingnans guess. 10:30 is dasnans guess. Again, all the hours take the definite article na. Vetsnans, hingnans, dasnans, and guess comes at the very end. In Armenian, quarter is karort. Karort. 1:15 corresponds to meknans karort. 2:45 corresponds to yerekin karort bakas. It's also possible to use the number 15 instead of quarter. So instead of saying 1:15 as Megnans karurt, you can say Megnans tasnehing. Instead of saying 2:45 as Yerekin karurt pakas, you can say Yerekin tasnehing pakas. Whether you use the first or the second option, there is no difference. Choose the one that you find easier to use. When speaking about exact times, we use the time with a definite article, such as Jame yerekne. It's 3 o'clock. Or Jame vetsne. It's 6 o'clock. It's important to know that jam is optional to use. You can easily say yerekne. It's 3 o'clock. Or hingnanse tasrope. It is 5:10. Or any other time can be used with or without jam. We also have the equivalents for midday and midnight. Instead of saying it's 12 o'clock, you can easily say kes ore. It's midday. Kes ore. The same way we can say kes gishere. It's midnight. Kes gishere. Kesor for midday and kes gisher for midnight.